Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open the camera app on the iPhone 15 series. So let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page screen, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then scroll down and go to the physical and motor section and tap on touch. Next, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on back tap. From here, you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. So in this video, I'm going to choose double tap. Then go to the system section and tap on camera. Next, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then after that, to open up the camera, you can use double tap at the back, and that will open up the camera app. If I double tap on it again, you can see it will always try to open up the camera. So it doesn't matter which screen you're on. So I can be in settings and I can double tap and it will always open up the camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.